This model kit review is of the Chevy Corvette, and it's by MPC, and you can build it 3 different ways depending which way you want it to. There's custom, there's a pace car, or there's the roadster. Custom is that front bumper here, as well as the back there. Yeah, it's a 1/25th scale model, and that's a picture of the finished model. Let's have a look inside here. So here we have some extra tires, lots of tires and options here, and very nicely molded. They're soft rubber. Let's have a look at our chrome parts here. Already one piece fall off here. So here are the different wheels. These are molded right to the edge, so they're going to need to be resprayed. We have some other chrome parts here. Our exhausts, those are for the sides. And here's our glass, nicely molded. And then we've got a lot of parts here to look at. First of all, here we have our body. It's fairly well molded. Lots of details there. We do have some ejection pins, but those can be sanded down. Here's our hood, also nicely molded. You can see the detail there for the logo. We have our dashboard here. We have a cockpit tub. We have the seats. And here's our chassis. Some nice details there. We've got some engine parts, suspension, steering. And here's the hard top if you wanted to put that on. And the tail. Here we have our front grille, the lower one if you wanted to add that. We have our exhaust parts here. Not sure what that is. And then we have some engine parts. Here's the engine, transmission, the header, the valve covers, oil pan. We have our radiator and fan, more engine parts, and some more suspension parts and wheels. Here are the decals, some nice decals there if you wanted to add those. Still in really good condition. It's a 1987 Corvette. So, let's have a look here. We start off with the engine block. And we add the belts. And looks like we have 2 different options here. You can do fuel injected or with a carburetor. We put the suspension parts together, then the radiator is installed as well as the engine, drive shaft, exhausts, and then your wheels. The other side we also put on when we build the cockpit, as well as the dashboard, body then built up, and that's all then put onto our chassis. Put the hood together, and the hood's then installed, and then start to put on the extra body pieces, lights and so on. Custom attachments if you wanted to add them, and that's for the pace car if you wanted to do them. So all in all, actually a surprisingly detailed model. I like the fact that you have some options. Molding quality is reasonable. some good decals, and extra tires.